Greetings, brothers and sisters of BCBP Kalibo. I'm excited to announce a major transformation for Be Honest advocacy. It's evolving into a full-fledged movement, Be Honest, Tapat, Dapat. This past weekend, chapter leaders, program and services, and communication and digital heads from across Western Visayas came together in Iloilo. Their goal? To take Be Honest from a simple idea to something measurable, impactful, and sustainable within the BCBP community. Be Honest, Tapat Dapat is a societal journey towards authentic positive change and a living unified Christian life, all built on the foundation of personal honesty. We'll be rolling out exciting programs and projects in the coming days, weeks, and months. We'll start small within honesty circles, allowing for open discussion and shared experiences. We'll also have more challenging initiatives like the Honest Breakfast, designed to truly test our commitment. The possibilities are limitless, brothers and sisters. Together, we can take this from a concept to reality. But as usual, your continued support is paramount to the movement, much like your support for our governance team in the past 3 months. We need all your hands on deck if we want this to be another of our success stories. Thank you, and may God bless BCBP Kalibo.